Intriago. And here is the tail of the tape, powered by DimeBit, the official sportsbook and online casino of the LFA. Abbasom is 27 years old, and Intriago is 1 year older. Both athletes stand 5'9" and weighed in just over the 145-pound mark. And the inch-and-a-half reach advantage goes the way of Intriago. Now, to kick off LFA 224 and our first ever event on Vice TV, here's the voice of the LFA Octagon, Mike Kendall.
Ladies and gentlemen, we are live around the world tonight from the Mystic Lake Casino Hotel here in Prior Lake, Minnesota for LFA 224, Adams versus Bilalov. Tonight's event is brought to you in part by Monster Energy, Brunton Workwear, and Bondi Pure. These bouts are sanctioned by the Minnesota Office of Combative Sports, overseen tonight by Director Matt Showalter. And now, ladies and gentlemen, we are set to go for 3 5-minute rounds in the LFA Featherweight Division. Introducing to you first, fighting out of the blue corner. This grappler and boxing style fighter stands 5'9", weighed in 145.6 pounds. He holds a 2-0 professional record with both wins coming by way of submission. Representing St. Charles MMA, fighting out of St. Louis, Missouri by way of Bahia de Caracas, Ecuador, Jose El Toro Intriago. His opponent across the octagon, fighting out of the red corner, is a mixed martial artist standing 5'9", weighed in 145.8 pounds. He holds a 4-1 professional record with 2 wins coming by way of submission. Representing American Top Team, fighting out of Shakopee, Minnesota by way of Ashgabat, Turkmenistan, Abbasom Abbasom. Your referee in charge, Josh Stewart.
Gentlemen, we've been over the expectations. Listen for the instructions. Protect yourself at all times. You want to touch, let's do so now. Let's have a fight.
Let's have a fight indeed. LFA 224 to kick off the new year. Abbasom, the favorite, coming in with the red tape, and Jose Intriago, blue tape. He's got the white trunks, and we are underway. Great to be back, and great to be on Vice TV.
Intriago in the white shorts took this fight on about 2 weeks' notice. Was very grateful just to find a matchup. He was training for around this date anyway. His fight fell out. An opportunity arose to take on Abbasom. Grateful to take it. He said, look, I have got nothing to lose going into this matchup. But speaking to Abbasom goes, I wouldn't have taken a fight against me in 2 weeks. It shows the confidence that he has in himself.
Without a doubt. And Abbasom coming off the first loss of his pro career back in April, the judo black belt, looking out for a bounce back win tonight. That loss in April snapped a 7-fight win streak going back to his amateur career, Alan.
Yeah, that was a very tough matchup. Very good back and forth matchup as well. You said Abbasom is a judoka, judo black belt. Also, I believe, trained on the Azerbaijani judo team.
Correct.
So, I mean, he's very high level. If he gets his hands on you, look to go for a ride. But Intriago, you know, he has a wrestling background as well. So this is going to be a clash of the titans when they do lock horns.
And he lost to the 2025 Male Fighter of the Year by our Fans' Choice Awards, Ansar Kamzayev, so no shame in that.
Both men right now just kind of feeling each other out, throwing the jab out there, testing out the kicks, seeing what defenses are out and what openings are available.
Oh,
here we go.
Just misses, and Abbasom looking for that single leg takedown, but
yeah, didn't like
fends it off.
Yeah. Oh, good body shot return right there by Abbasom.
Both fighters exchange low kicks, attacking those lead legs. Abbasom 4-1, 2 victories via submission, 2 decisions. Intriago comes in with a 2-1 record, both his victories via rear naked choke.
This is one of those fights, Ron, that I was looking at closely. Could this be one of those fight of the nights? Because I felt that these guys were very evenly matched when you look at their skill set. Very good on the feet, strong on the ground, similar builds. waiting to see what's going to be the difference maker here as Abasov gets his hands on Intriago for the first time and is able to finish that takedown.
First takedown of the first round goes to Abbasov. But Intriago managing to get back up on his feet rather quickly.
Intriago fighting the hands right here. If he is able to separate the hands from each other, he's going to want to turn into him chest to chest, not expose anything, try to keep those elbows tucked to the ribs. See what sneaky moves Abbasov has here. A lot of judokas, they'll kick that lead leg right there. Look at that little roll through. Nice job. Back to his feet is Intriago, though.
Very quickly, Intriago gets back up, training St. Charles MMA. Jake Roberts, originally from Ecuador, now living and fighting out of St. Louis, Missouri.
Abbasov is doing a fantastic job of just staying on him. Intriago doing everything right, trying to turn left, right, create opening, scramble out, but Abbasov following the hips with it.
Featherweight division action to kick off LFA number 224. Our best event of the year.
Whoa! You know, Abbasov spoke to us about this. He said he's been, as we talked a lot about his judo, he spoke to us a lot about his spinning back kicks. He's been hitting them in practice a lot. He just went to the head. Look out for more to come to the body as well.
45 seconds to go in the opening round. Yeah, Abbasov said, watch my heel kick to the body, and then I'll take that one straight upstairs.
Got his leg lace right here, does Abbasov on Intriago. See what type of sweep he could find to get this to the mat. I like that sweep right there. It was a good defense by Intriago, stepping over the leg.
Beautiful level change to avoid some of those shots as we've got 15 seconds to go in the opening frame. Spinning back fist from Abbasov.
Little delay swag right there.
Yeah, love it.
You didn't hit me. Woo.
Horn sounds, and looking at our early stats, it was Intriago outstriking Abbasov in that first round, Alan, 25-15.
Competitive first round right there. Both guys, first half of the match, just kind of feeling each other out. Nice job closing the distance right there. Intriago finishing with that right hand, landed down the pipe. See Abbasov coming back with a 3-2 of his own, stepping into it. There's that spinning wheel kick he spoke about. Look for him to pull that in a little bit tighter and aim for the body, try to get something on the liver side, and then also go back upstairs in that wheel kick approach that we saw just now in the first round.
Abasov training with the Killers at American Top Team. Been there for 4 years. There's Artem 11.
Oh, yeah, great kickboxer.
Oh, man, called many of his fights in glory, and that man was intimidating. And when he landed, your evening pretty much came to an end.
One of the more technical kickboxers in history.
Round number 2 underway. Hosse Intriago, blue tape and white shorts. Abbasov, the red tape, green and black trunks.
Very competitive first round. It felt like Abbasov was kind of finding his groove towards the end of that first round. See if he could pick up where he left off here in the second.
Follow the LFA on social media at LFA Fighting.
Intriago looked to land a good right hand right there. Abbasov took it well. Spinning a lot. You've noticed that? I mean, it was not only the wheel kicks, but there's been a number of spinning back fists from Abbasov.
True to his word, he said watch those spinning kicks and spinning back fists, and
there it is.
The spinning kick to the body. And he follows it up with a strike up to the head. Oh, beautiful level change.
Watch for a throw here.
Able to avoid that big shot from Abbasov, who seems to have picked up the pace here, Alan, in the second round.
Yeah, and he likes, a lot of times the underhook guy is the winner. of the exchange, but Abasov doesn't mind these overhooks here. He can set up his throws. Good break elbow there for Abasov. A lot of instructions being thrown at both men. Unfortunately, I can't translate what's happening. Fighting sometimes is a universal language, though.
Without a doubt, and the LFA roster is filled with international stars.
It is. Very
last
much
year
is.
was a huge year for the promotion, staging our first event in Europe, 6 events in Brazil, and that's where we will be next week as Abasov looking for that takedown, but Intriago, nice balance, fending it off right now.
Look, there it is.
From Abasov.
He's going to try to slide into darts here. Intriago felt it. He's fighting the hands. That was a nice throw right there. Again, with the overhook, he could step across. Now he's in a position that he's going to be much more comfortable trying to slide the right hook in. Nice job. Nice job getting up Intriago.
Yeah, Intriago has been able to do that. Abasov has not been able to keep him down.
Ooh, that was a sneaky front kick.
Just past the midway point of round 2. Opening bout in the LFA featherweight division.
Watch Abasov when he gets set. He's covering the distance with strikes. He's walking with his strikes very well. He's done it a number of times so far in this fight. See if he does it here again.
Beautiful
nice little
body shot, and then to the head. And there's another spinning fist. That one landed, Alan.
Yeah, it's a lot, and then to the kick. It's a lot to keep up with, right? He's throwing so much at you. Hands on the feet, immediately shooting the takedown. He didn't like it. Pulls out real quick, spinning attacks. Kind of keeping Intriago guessing at this moment.
Abasov looking to erase the memory of his first professional defeat and still looking for his first victory here in the LFA.
You saw that? You saw how he walked into that? Oh, those are big shots. Oh, head kick!
Over and out! A little bit of a delay.
Yeah. And we knew it was over. We were just kind of waiting for the referee to step in, Ron.
100%. Abasov ends this fight in spectacular fashion.
Abasov landing with the punches, had him hurt. Sneaky right head kick right up to the chin. Puts Hose Intriago down. Beautiful knockout by Abasov.
Abasov, no doubt about it, gets a huge finish ending. We will get the official time coming up.
That was the sounds at the end of the fight right there. Abasov finishing this fight in devastating fashion as he predicted before this. You take a look at the walking strikes right here. Has him hurt. That right hook hurt Intriago. You see him trying to stay alive right here, trying to stay afloat. Now watch how he sneaks in that right head kick right on the chin. Folds Intriago down. Take a look at this in slow motion. Nice dexterity and flexerity, just being able to not even switch it. Bring that right head, that right foot high. Shin on the chin type of knockout. and all the reason to celebrate in this one, Ron.
27-year-old Abbasom Abbasovым quickly erases the memory of his first professional defeat, earns a spectacular finish. There he is with his father to celebrate. Let's get the official time inside to Mike Kendall.
Ladies and gentlemen, your referee, Josh Stewart, calls a stop to this fight. 3 minutes, 39 seconds into the second round, declaring a winner by TKO, Abbasom Abbasovым.
With his father in his corner and the legend Artem Levin as well, judo black belt Abbasom Abbasovым earns his first win in the LFA and his first victory via TKO.
Wow, I mean, it was a great performance. First round, a little bit of a feeling each other out type of performance. Second round, you see him get his footing, get his momentum, start really putting the gas down, applying the pressure. And once he hurt him on the feet with the hands, it really set up that head kick. He spoke to us a lot about the spinning attacks, the kick attacks, and it was the kick indeed that was able to put this fight away.
Spectacular fashion to earn his first victory inside the Legacy Fighting Alliance octagon. Abbasom Abbasovым and the American top team coaching staff celebrate a big victory, and what a way to kick